Our presentation is all about cutting down trees, discussing the effects and solution, also how it affects people and to our world. In our intro, it is the process of clearing large areas of forest that everyday forests all around the world are disappearing. Many people continuing this kind of work that they don't know or didn't care the effects to our world just to meet their needs. For example, we have here four effects such as climate change, flooding, air pollution, loss of habitat. In next slides, I will explain these four effects. The first one is climate change. Such shifts can be natural due to changes in the sun's activity or large volcanic eruptions. For example, clearing land can also release carbon dioxide. Also, burning fossil fuels generate greenhouse gas emissions that act like a blanket. Wrap around the earth can trap the sun's heat and raising temperature. Flooding. Flooding also can last for days or longer because when forests are cut down, it alters the water cycle in an area. Trees themselves also absorb water during the rainy season, but when the trees are removed from the environment, can also result this flooding. The third one is air pollution. Cutting down trees can make pollution worse. The quality of air because forests are essential to clean air through photosynthesis. The leaves of trees take in carbon dioxide and water, so cutting of trees is a cause of air pollution. Lastly, loss of habitat. This loss of habitat reducing the amount of space available for animals to find their food, shelter, and breed as shown in the picture. And you see how healthy the forest. The difference between not cutting down and cutting down trees. How they can survive when humans continuing cut down forests. They remove the producers of the ecosystem.
Cutting down trees when done irresponsibly or without proper planning can lead to environmental degradation, loss of biodiversity, and climate change. However, there are several solutions and strategies to reduce the negative impact of deforestation and promote sustainable tree management. Sustainable logging practices. Instead of clear cutting entire areas, selective logging involves cutting only specific trees that are mature or pose a danger to the forest. This allows the ecosystem to regenerate and maintains biodiversity. Reforestation and afforestation. Reforestation, planting trees in areas where forests have been cut down. This helps to restore ecosystems and carbon sinks, reducing the impact of deforestation. Afforestation, planting trees in areas that were not previously forested, which can help prevent desertification and restore lost ecosystems. Public awareness and education. Educating communities and businesses about the importance of forests and the impact of tree cutting can promote responsible consumption and reduce demand for products that contribute to deforestation. Supporting campaigns to raise awareness about sustainable forest management. Use of technology for monitoring. Remote sensing, drones, and satellite imaging can help monitor deforestation and detect illegal logging activities in real time, allowing authorities to respond more effectively. By combining these solutions, societies can work toward reducing the harmful effects of tree cutting and ensure that forests are preserved for future generations.
In question and answer. In question number 1, we did not specifically choose this issue, but it's a crucial one to address due to its far-reaching consequences for the environment, society, and the planet's overall health. Deforestation and the cutting down of trees are pressing challenges because they affect biodiversity, contribute to climate change, and disrupt ecosystems. This issue intersect with many others, like sustainable development, conservation, and environmental justice. By focusing on it, we can work toward solutions that help protect forests, mitigate climate change, and ensure a balanced relationship between human development and nature. In question number 2, my partner will explain it.
Infographics. We are using a clear and concise infographics can break down complex data like statistics on deforestation rates, carbon emissions, or endangered species, making the issue more understandable and accessible. Visualizing data helps make the message clearer and more impactful.
What did we learn about the issue? We learned that the issue of cutting trees or deforestation is an important environmental concern with significant impacts on the planet, like environmental impact, loss of biodiversity, soil erosion, water cycle disruption, human health. Why it's important? It's important in terms of sustainability. The importance of trees for sustaining life on Earth cannot be overstated. Their role in the balance of oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water makes them indispensable to our survival. In terms of climate change mitigation, reducing tree loss is one of the most effective ways to combat climate change, as forests act as carbon sinks that absorb more carbon than they release. It's also important in terms of preserving ecosystems. Protecting forests ensures the survival of countless species that rely on them, as well as the many ecological services they provide.